Here is my favorite way to drink Afternoon Delight. First, grab your favorite mug. Yes, it has to be your favorite mug. Get yourself some Afternoon Delight Dirty Juice. Grab a spoon. Doesn't have to be your favorite spoon. Get yourself a hand mixer. Drink it up hot. You can also add honey, maple syrup, or some creamer if you want to sweeten it up. Go dirty today at drinkdirtyjuice.com.